Racer Pink, huh? Sounds like a car from F-Zero. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max Plus 97 Racer Pink. Now the Air Max Plus 97 is accompanied by the Air Max 97 Plus, which has the Air Max Plus upper and the Air Max 97 midsole and outsole. And that's kind of the pairing that they're going to be pushing out, Nike is. And so far they've done it on the microgreen colorways, they've done it on this pair, and they've done it on one other pair, and I just can't for the life of me think of the colorway. But yeah, that's how they're pushing them out. And we've already done the Air Max 97 Plus colorway, and now it's time to get into the Air Max Plus 97. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the same as the Air Max 97 Plus is, so it's styled like the black Nike box is. However, it is a slide out box. And like I said in reviews past, putting a shoe in a slide out box gets some extra points for me. And the colorway is Racer Pink and Hyper Magenta. Now let's take a look at the actual shoe. The shoe has the Air Max 97 upper, and where the Air Max Plus 97 had a more Racer Pink colorway, this shoe used the bright orange for the most part of this shoe. Moving towards the toe, you have the same detailing as the rest of the shoe. The swirl actually wraps around the whole shoe. The tongue is a black mesh tongue with a hyper turquoise Nike swoosh right on the tongue tag and a black pull tab. The insole is black with the hyper turquoise Nike Air logo. Moving towards the heel, you have the same wraparound design, but you also have this purple layer which wraps around as well. And in the middle of that, you have the Nike swoosh in purple as well. On the heel, and I was actually surprised that the Air Max Plus 97 doesn't do this. It does not have the Air Max logo going down the shoe. Instead, it's just a plain purple stripe, and you have the purple and orange detailing, which, like I said before, wraps around the shoe. The medial is the same as the lateral, so you've got the orange and purple detailing wrapping around the shoe, and you have the purple mesh overlay right in the middle with the purple Nike swoosh. Lastly, you've got the Air Max Plus midsole, or Air Max TN, and you have the Racer Pink outsole. Like I said in the Air Max 97 Plus video, I actually preferred this colorway, the Air Max Plus 97, over that shoe. I'm a big fan of the Air Max 97 upper, and the tuned Air outsole is just a nice touch to the shoe. However, I do kind of wish that they also released the Air Max 97 and the Air Max Plus as two separate shoes with these colorways as well. Also, I'm still surprised these shoes released in men's colors. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Plus 97 Racer Pink hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 10th for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.